Home Drawing channel. It's me, Rose. Today we are drawing a vibrant butterfly. This is going to be a cute butterfly with blinking eyes and magical features. So come and let's draw together. Look at the moving eyes of the butterfly. Her eyes are moving and blinking. I like this butterfly so much. If you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up. I hope you are enjoying the video. This is truly a magical butterfly. Welcome to Magic Color Home Drawing channel. Today we are drawing a beautiful and vibrant rainbow. Now I am making the clouds. It is so fun and easy to draw a rainbow. So come and try to draw with me. Look at the cloud. Their eyes are moving and blinking. blinking. This is truly a magical rainbow drawing. Let's draw together. You will enjoy the video so much. This is red color. This is orange color. No, I'm using yellow color. This is green color. This rainbow is so colorful. This rainbow is so shiny and colorful. I hope you're enjoying the video. This is violet color. Welcome to Magic Color Home channel. Today we are drawing a beautiful fish. I'm Rose. I'll teach you how to draw a beautiful fish in few minutes. It is so easy to draw the fish. Come and let's draw together. Now I'm making her eyes. This is going to be a magical fish. Look, her eyes are moving and blinking. This is truly a magical drawing. I'm drawing her mouth. Let's draw with me. You will enjoy the video. We are done with making the fish. This is looking beautiful. Now let's color our fish. This is green color. I hope you are enjoying the video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Look at her shiny and blinking eyes. This is red color. I'm coloring the tail with red color. This is going to be a colorful fish.